Fresh onions are delivered daily to the factory, ready for processing.
The onions are temporarily stored in large bins before being processed.
Each onion is inspected to ensure only the best are used for processing.
Onions are cleaned using high-tech machines that remove all dirt and debris. The onions are washed thoroughly to remove any remaining impurities.
Peeling machines automatically remove the outer skin from the onions.
After peeling, onions are manually inspected for any remaining skin or damage.
Onions are sliced into perfect rings using automated cutting machines. The sliced onion rings are sorted by size and thickness for uniform processing. The onion slices are dried to preserve their flavor and shelf life. Some of the onions are ground into powder for various uses. Onion powder is packaged in airtight containers for distribution. Some of the onions are frozen to maintain freshness for later use. Frozen onions are stored in cold storage until they're ready to be shipped. Frozen onions are packed into boxes and labeled for shipment.
Fresh onions are carefully packed into mesh bags for easy transport.
Packed onions are stacked onto pallets for efficient handling and shipment.
Pallets are wrapped securely to protect them during transit.
The finished products are loaded onto trucks for shipment to customers.
Onions are distributed to various markets across the country and internationally.
Some onions are processed into products such as onion paste and sauces.
Onions are ground into paste for use in sauces and other culinary products.
Onion paste is packaged into jars and bottles for consumer use.
Each bottle is labeled with the product detail and expiration date.
The bottled sauces are packaged and prepared for shipment.
Onion paste is packaged in jars to ensure freshness and easy use.
The finished products are moved to the final packaging stage.
Each product undergoes strict quality inspection before being shipped.
Jars are placed into shipping boxes for easy transport.
Each box is sealed and labeled for distribution. Powdered onion products are carefully packaged to maintain freshness.
Fresh onions are peeled and cleaned using state-of-the-art machines.
The onions are sliced into half for further processing.
Some of the onions are dehydrated to create long-lasting onion products. Dehydrated onion slices are packed into airtight containers for preservation.
Dehydrated onions are labeled and packed for distribution.
Unprocessed onions are sorted by size and quality before moving forward.
Onion powder is sifted to ensure consistent texture.
Packaged products are sent through the final conveyor belt for sealing.
Every product undergoes final inspection to guarantee quality.
Onion paste is carefully packaged into jars to ensure freshness.
Packed jars are placed into shipping cartons, ready for distribution.
Onion powder is measured and packaged into small containers for consumer use.
Each jar is sealed to maintain freshness and flavor. The jars are placed into sturdy boxes for transport. Boxes filled with onion products move down the final production line.
Each package is carefully inspected before being sealed and prepared for shipment.
Boxes are stacked onto pallets for efficient transport.
Pallets are wrapped tightly to secure the products for safe delivery.
Forklifts move the finished goods to storage, ready for shipment.
Finished onion products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses.
Automated systems track inventory to ensure accurate stock levels.
Each box is labeled with shipping details and destination information.
The pallets are loaded into trucks for delivery to retailers and consumers. Onion products are shipped to various regions, reaching consumers everywhere. Onion products are now available for purchase in stores worldwide.
Shoppers pick up their favorite onion products, bringing them home.
Onion products enhance the flavor of home-cooked meals.
Onion powder and sauces are used to create a variety of delicious dishes.
Every product undergoes final checks to ensure the highest quality.
Different onion products are sorted for specialized packaging.
Onion powder is vacuum sealed for preservation and long shelf life.
Bulk onion products are prepared for export to international markets.
Containers are loaded with onion products, ready for overseas delivery.
The containers are securely sealed to maintain product integrity during transit.
Shipping companies use advanced tracking systems to monitor delivery.
Onion products travel globally, reaching markets far and wide.
Retailers restock shelves to meet the demand for fresh onion products.
Consumers can now enjoy a variety of onion-based products on store shelves.
Thanks for watching the journey of onions from farm to table. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more factory tours.